With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So our question is, if 1 alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha to the power n minus 1 be a nth roots of unity, then 1 plus alpha 1 plus into 1 plus alpha 2 dash dash 1 plus alpha n minus 1 is equal to, we have given 4 options and we need to tell which option is correct. Now, if it is a nth roots of unity, then what I can say that x to the power n minus 1 is equal to 0. It has what? I can write this thing as x minus 1. Okay, this will be removed actually. X to the power n minus 1 is equal to, this thing can be written as x minus 1, x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2. Okay, this is goes to dash dash x minus alpha n minus 1. Okay, so I can write this thing as xn upon minus 1 upon, this is what, x minus 1 is equal to x minus alpha 1. Okay, x minus alpha 2, this is what goes to dash dash x minus, this is what alpha minus 1. Now if you observe this thing, this is a GP which has what, which has a first term is what, 1, r is what, x. Okay, so this is what, this is something like 1 plus x square plus x cube, this is what, dash dash x to the power what, n minus 1 is equal to, this is what, x minus alpha 1, okay, x minus alpha 2 and dash dash, this is what, x minus alpha n minus 1. Okay, now what you do is just substitute. I'm trying to find this thing actually, 1 plus alpha 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute x is equal to minus 1. So put x is equal to minus 1. So this is what, this is, we have what, 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 cube plus, this is a dash dash minus 1 to the power n minus 1 is equal to, this is, we have what, minus, this is minus 1 alpha 1, okay, minus 1 minus alpha 2, okay, dash dash, this is what, minus 1 alpha n minus 1. So what you can do here is you can take common what, minus 1 to the power n minus 1, this is, we have 1 plus alpha 1, 1 plus alpha 2 dash dash 1 plus alpha n minus 1. Okay, and this is equal to what, this is 1 plus minus 1 minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1 to the power what, 3 plus dash dash, this is what, plus minus 1 to the power n minus 1. Now if I can say that if n is what, if n is even, if n is even, then what happened, this is what, this becomes what, this is becomes 0. Okay, this becomes what, this will be like, this becomes also 0. Okay, and this is what, this becomes odd, and we have before this term we have what, we have minus 1 to the power n minus 2. Okay, so that is what, if n is even, this is positive and this becomes negative, so this will be also cancel out, so all will be cancel out. So this is 0, this will be 0, this will be also 0, so this will be the 0 is equal to, this becomes what, this will be minus 1 to the power n minus 1, so this becomes negative, and if I multiply both sides with negative sign, so this becomes positive. So that is what, 1 plus alpha 1, 1 plus alpha 2, okay, dash dash 1 plus alpha n minus 1. This is happen when n is even. Now when is, when n is what, odd, when n is odd, so what happened, see this thing, this is what, 1 minus 1, okay, this is what, minus 1 plus, this is what, a square of this thing, minus 1 to the power 3 plus dash dash. I can write this thing as minus 1 to the power what n minus 2 plus minus 1 to the power n minus 1. Okay, and this thing is what? This is same as it is minus 1 to the power n minus 1, 1 plus alpha 1, 1 plus alpha 2. Okay, dash dash. This is what? 1 plus alpha n minus 1. Now this is what? This becomes 0, this becomes also 0. Okay, and we have what? This thing is what? Before this term we have what? We have minus 1 to the power what? 3. Okay, this is same. So this becomes what? This becomes 1, but this will be cancelled out, this thing will be cancelled out, this will be 0, this will be also 0, this will be also 0. We left with what? Only 1, because this n minus 1 becomes even. So minus 1 to the power even is what? 1. So 1 is equal to, this is what? N is odd, so this becomes what? Minus 1 to the power what? Even. So that is what? Also 1. So that is what? 1 plus n minus alpha 1, 1 plus alpha 2 plus dash dash 1 plus alpha n minus 1. So at when n is odd it is 1, and when n is what? Even, it is 0. So our correct option is what? First option, 0 or 1 according to as n is what? Even. Okay, and odd. So n, when n is even it is 0, and when n is what? Odd, it is what? 1. So option first is a correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.